What is going on, guys? I want to try a different style of video, and that would be vlog style, because every now and then I want to have little updates here and there in the garden, and I just want to share with you guys. It doesn't have to be like a fully informative video, but more so like a day-to-day life of my gardening, as well as, for the people who enjoy watching gardening content, but not only that, they enjoy watching me as a person. So for those guys who watch me because you enjoy my personality, thank you. I appreciate you guys. So today, what we got going on now is I got myself a modular raised bed. So I have two of them already. So today we're gonna build another one, and then I'm trying to decide on where I want to put it. So let me show you the couple spots that I have planned out, and let me know what you guys think. So here's what I got going on. The raised bed that we're building is this right here. It's a 4x4, so 1, 2. These two beds I already started sowing stuff. So you look at all these little wood chips. Those are basically marking the rows of what I planted. So this bed is full. This bed is good to go. I'm thinking of putting the second bed right here, so that way eventually it'll be like 1 bed, 2 bed, 3 bed, 4 beds, like a square style. The other option was over here, but it's kind of far off, so let's go over there. So let's get to starting this raised bed, and just let me show you how I put it together. So to start things off, here is a closer look at the raised bed that I have. You can get these from Lowe's. I think they're like 45 bucks, but when you can get them on sale, I think they're down to like 20, 25. So if you can get these on sale, it's a steal, I would highly recommend it. There are a lot of like other options you can buy on Amazon that are like galvanized steel. There's like a circular shape or a 2x4, but I like the way these things look, the coloration of it and everything. And the depth is not too great, because I do know a lot of plants, they do prefer like 1 feet or 2 feet in terms of depth wise. But if you grow in vegetables, like the leafy greens and stuff, this is more than enough. And then the roots can penetrate into the soil as well too. So depending on what you're growing, I think you'll be fine. So let's open this up real quick. All right, let's pour it out. There we go. So you're gonna have 4 of these panels right here. Great quality, they're very sturdy. Those I've had for 2 years now, and the coloration is like identical still. Just look at this real quick. Put it side by side, it's like brand new. You can't even tell that it's been used for so long. So if we were to have that spacing like about right here, I think that looks pretty good spacing wise. That way I can have a little walkway if needed. So let's put it together for a little bird's eye view of what it would look like after it's done. 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, no 3, 4. So looks pretty good if you ask me. Then later in the future, maybe I'll add another one right over here. That way it makes a nice square. And then of course, the gardening experience is always a journey. So we're always going to expand and just get more and more as the season goes on. But let's start with this for now. Let's put it together. So what we got is 4 of these packs right here. Each end cap will go on an end of each of the plastic pieces, and then it just connects together. And let me open it up real quick, that way you can see a little bit better. There we go. So this right here will go on an end cap. It connects to the end of the piece right here. So for example, it would go like this. That's simple. The other piece will connect to this one right here, and this one will go in the opposite direction. So now when you put the 2 pieces together like this, it lines up like this, and you take this little stake, put it right through the middle, and it'll stab into the ground and hold it in place. And that each corner will look like this. So it's very easy to put together. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, they did give you guys a little bit of screws right here, so that way you can screw in these pieces to the corners. Nice. All right guys, we put together. Oh no, it wasn't so bad. It probably took like maybe 10 minutes tops. Otherwise though, that was very easy. I think anyone can do them. So very, very user friendly, I would say. And the final piece of the puzzle are these little end caps right here. Kind of cute. It just covers up a little hole. Now the last step, of course, is to fill this up with soil. Something I want to emphasize is that don't stress about your soil, guys. You can use any type of potting soil. You can use old soil. You can use the Miracle Grow that I'm using. You can use any kind of soil, they're all pretty good. All you gotta do is add some fertilizer, add some compost, some worm casting, you know, and just mix it up. It'll become a healthy soil, so don't ever stress about that. Like for me, I have this open bag of organic Miracle-Gro and then 3 more bags. That should be more than enough to fill this up. And then all the way over there, I have a bag of mushroom compost that I'm gonna mix into it, as well as using some worm casting. So I know I've said this before, but you can absolutely get jacked just gardening. You know, my shoulders and my biceps and my back, just lifting these heavy bags, I'm telling you. It builds a lot of muscle and gets you in shape. I'm actually sweating a lot right now already. So, just pour it out. Like for example, my biceps and my shoulders are popping. Let's grab my bag of some mushroom compost and mix it in. And then of course guys, you can't forget to add some worm casting. No, I'm not sponsored by them. I just know that they are fantastic. Adds a lot of great organic material into your soil. So grab a handful, sprinkle it all over the place. Grab another handful. Because it's a newer bed, I'm gonna add a lot. And we'll mix it by hand shortly afterwards. For the viewers that are still watching the video at this point right now, I appreciate you guys, because obviously you're watching the video because you enjoy my personality, I hope. So thank you so much. If you can comment below and let me know that you enjoy my videos, that would be absolutely fantastic. It really motivates me to continue and putting out more videos, even if it's just like blog style videos. And since you guys are already here, I want to give you a quick update as to how my garden looks at the moment right now. It's very exciting, I promise. I got some blueberries that are already sprouting a lot of flowers. Let me show you. So recently we had mini cold nights over and over, so I brought this plant inside. It's in this little pot right here, much easier than that massive pot over there. That's a pink lemonade. This is just a Titan. So I brought this one inside for like 3 weeks, and I took it outside when it's sunny, and it's blooming very early. Compared to the one over here, this one is just starting, as you can see right there. Dang it, it won't focus. But over here though, a lot. But not only that though, look at my fig. I brought this plant indoors as well every single night and took it outside when it's sunny. And look how beautiful that is. Would it focus? Aha, there you are. Look at that. We already have some fruits on this one. I think there's like 4 or 5 in total. So very exciting for sure. Over here, I planted a bunch of sugar daddies this season. I planted right here. And those smaller rectangular pots over there, I probably planted like 20. Overall, this is the layout now. 1 bed, 2 bed, 3 bed, a bunch of rectangular ones, a bunch of containers, as you can see over here, some mulch. I got a lot of organizing to do, but you know, whose garden isn't disorganized like this, you know? I am so excited for this upcoming growing season and putting out a lot more of these vlog style videos, just to keep you guys updated for you to follow along on my gardening journey. Just for you to have the same experience in case you can't have your own garden, you know? I want to share my excitement with you guys. So please leave a like if you enjoy them, comment below, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And as always, take it easy, guys.